Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Uzair and you are watching my YouTube channel that name is Let's Design Together. So guys, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create the ripple text around any image, right, in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's begin. But before that, I want to tell you that if you want to learn other text effects as well, so I have already created the text playlist, so you can go. Although I will give the link of that in my description or in my I button as well. Okay, so you can go and watch that tutorial. So guys, you can see I have simply opened the image, right? You have to bring a ruler first. Okay, so I will press Ctrl plus R for ruler. Okay, although if you don't want to do this step, so you can go to the view and click on the ruler. Now we will adjust the ruler according to our text, so let's do it. Just simply when the ruler is set, okay, so I want my text from here to there. Okay, so now what you can do, you have to select the pen tool and start selecting the areas in which you want your text. Okay, so I will take start from here. And then with alt click here and take start on another one. Okay, alt click. So once the selection is done, just click on the text tool and simply click at the center, and then remember you have to select this icon, okay, that left align text, and then simply copy it, right click and copy, right click, paste it. Although you can paste it through Ctrl V shortcut as well. Okay, yeah, so now I will select the text and give it white color, which is suiting my background. Okay, and just simply hit OK. And then if you want to give the shadow a little bit, that you can see the text little good. Okay, so just right click and go to the blending option and click on the drop shadow. So everything is normal, like the opacity is 30%, the degree is 45-degree angle, okay, and the angle, sorry, and the distance is 7, and the spread is 3, and the size is 5, and just simply hit OK. So guys, that's enough.